Sunny products, I mentioned about Sunny products a lot before. When it comes to Sunny after sale service, we ordered this batching plant end of 2019, and Sunny should ship these machineries at the end of February, which is at the middle of a pandemic in China. Sunny keep the promise and deliver this even at the middle of a pandemic. If it is another brand, we have to wait until the pandemic is under control, or we don't know what will happen. So apart from shipping the machine, Sunny assigned a proper after-sales engineer here, and commissioning and erection was done professionally, on time, even at the middle of this pandemic. So Sunny have excellent after-sales service even at a difficult time.